Hi, welcome students. In this module, we will understand and learn sets. Aditi was in her math class with her friend Priya. She whispered to Priya that she has just bought a set of summer clothes. The outwear collection includes a top, a scarf, a cap, and a pair of bellies. Their teacher overheard the conversation and asked them, "What is a set?" A set is a well-defined collection of objects. The objects that make up a set can be anything: numbers, people, letters of the alphabet, other sets, and so on. So, the collection of summer clothes Aditi mentioned in the earlier example forms a set. The objects of the set are known as the elements or members of a set. A collection is said to be well-defined if we can definitely decide whether a given object belongs to the collection or not. A set should satisfy the following properties. The members of the set should be distinct, not be repeated. The members of the set should be well-defined, well-explained.